ubumnandi, you know, ngulogogo lo ozogugela endaweni ezibumnandi. So ngabona iplatform ukuthi ngeyinikwa abantu ba curious nje ngami, you know, bayakhuluma, bayagxeka, you know, bafaka upelepele ngempilo yami yonke. Then ngathi, you know what, let me take it into business. Then ngayokokota kwaTira eAfrotainment. Wathi Zodwa yini nje obona ukuthi ungayenza nje ngoba la kwami i-recording label kunabantu abaculayo wena, you know, ngathi nje just give me the chance uzobona.
Bakhuluma abanemibuzo, uZodwa uphilisa ngani kanjani ngaphandle kokuthanda ubumnandi?
uZodwa uhlakaniphe kakhulu and abantu lokho abakwazi, you know. uZodwa akathanda izinto, uthanda ukusebenza, uthanda ukuba phakathi kwabantu abasebenzayo, then nehlezi nabo athole ama-ideas and businesses, then akuthathe lokho abuyele back elifini yakhe or eSouth Beach or manje I'm busy eNelspruit, you know, indlu yami sengiyicedile, umamncane wami isiphaza sakhe sengisakhile, izolo bebengisendela enye indawo ofune ngiyithenge, bathi ama room ayadlisa ngale, and futhi nenye inhlabathi engakazi ukuthi ngenzani ngayo. So ngihlala eThekwini ngoba I'm a hustler, you know. Nginama flat eSouth Beach for student accommodation. All in all nje uZodwa usafuna ukwazi kakhulu ukuthi angenzani everyday. Umntwana mangihlala naye ngikaze ngahlala naye, ngiyamsupporta financially, ngi-involve life yakhe. Benginaye last week, uyangitshela ufuna i-computer, uyangitshela ufuna i-skateboard, uyaphasa akazafela. I'm surprised ukuthi ufuze bani because mina esikolweni bengidom. Mara umntwana makazafela, next year uyakusanda 6 and ngikofozela yena just for the record, ngikofozela yena ukuthi, you know, imali university. By the time mina senimtshela ukuthi abe embarrassed ngami, athi mara umama wami yazi I can't be embarrassed ngani mabhekanje, you know, nge-birthday yami when I turned 18, maybe umama mthele imoto, you know, mama mshiyele indlu, you know, mama nje, you know. So uba umzali whatever that you're doing, we do it for our kids.
Lolu hlobo lomsebenzi bezongcebeleka kunje mnyama, umsebenzi ongajwayelekile, abantu abagcina bewuhlanganisa nenye imisebenzi ethathwa njengeyihlazo. Abanye bangaze bathi hawu ngabe uZodwa mhlawumbe owesifazana ophila ngokuthi adayisa
uyadayisa. You know, I never shy away from what people say because I think that's the thing abayithanda ngami. So if you feeling ngiyadayisa, ngiyathengeka. Sure, there is a market for that. So I'm sold out for 2018. Now 2019 nge-20 April, I know where I'm gonna be. So ngiyadayisa, imarket iyavuma, iyathenga.
Hamba kahle ebhizinisini, ukhwenyana siyambona, nangu uZodwa ukhomba lapha kuthiwa maduze nje ngasezushaya.
uBenten yazihlezi uBenten. So sivumile, yes, sivumile nithi uBenten. Mina ngaso uBenten oya ungahle kubonge into abayishoya abantu, you know. Bacanga ukuthi maybe asukuzwa bakhuluma ezini we shy away from that. No, we hear what you say. Siyakwazi. I love him, I'm dating him. Umshado, maybe bukelele reality show yami, maybe.
Siyalema nawe reality show.
Yabona nje the time siza la ufune ngiphendule i-call but ufune ngiphendule ngasuka la i-contract isayiniwe, kufuneke transferwe imali. I think njengoba besebeyifona kufuneke ba-transfere isamba, then we start shooting.
Alright, so baningi abantu besifazana basemakhaya bakubonayo umuntu kodwa unendlela eningi uyasaba kanti izinto empilweni yakhe ngathi ngibona
abantu besifazane bebevaleleke kakhulu where we come from as in our history. But I feel sizimanje kunozodwa abantu, uzodwa abantu necellulite, uzodwa abantu usebenzisa ivaselina, uzodwa abantu nenwele zakhe akathusi, angenzi into like ukuthi ngiza la ema-ofisini wenu bongiwe ukuthi ngifuna ningifile, you know, ngizambela nje nge-uniform yami yokusebenza because ngiyadayisa. But okunye nokunye nje uyabona ukuthi you can relate to me. Impilo mayingakuthusi, sonke sinenkinga, kuyanyiwa all over, nami ngiyakhala mara ngikhali mina, you know. So mara life ithatheni as I say it, you know, I tell the truth. angisucinderella angisuBarbie uzodwa nje representa isociety hayi amanye ama-brand abanye abantu nabevuka nje or when they only post ku-Instagram bazenza bonompopi like uzodwa is for real nawe phila impilo yakho
Sesiphetha nje uhlobo luni lokudayisa esikhuluma ngalo.
uzodwa udayisa ivosho. Thank you for asking that. Uzodwa wabantu udayisa ivosho.